one of Travel Like Nomad with Astha Devangan. That's me. So I'm very excited to share with you all that I am traveling like nomad. Let me first decode the word nomad for you. So nomad basically means traveling without having any destination, without having any plans or itinerary. बेसिकली आपको पता नहीं होता कि आप जा कहाँ रहे हो, करने क्या वाले हो, कहाँ ठहरने वाले हो, कहाँ सोने वाले हो, कहाँ खाने वाले हो, कुछ भी नहीं पता होता है. It's just like pack your bag and leave. So this is what nomad is all about. I'm really excited to share with you all about all this, but it's a big confusion as well क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं जा कहाँ रही हूँ. So I'm not sure whether to pack my luggages for beach wear, mountain wear, winter wear, ethnic wear. I don't know. So I've packed all of it together. Since it's a road trip, so I have that flexibility of carrying as many things as possible with me. So that's the advantage of traveling by road, but I don't know where to go, so let's see. The most important thing that I have carried with me for girls is this makeup kit. That I have this with me handy, my brushes, my makeup and everything ready with me, the body wash and the tissue papers that I have. So I'll be using this for cleansing and hand wash as well. I'm not carrying anything separate for the hand wash thing. And the most important thing that I have is this tent. I cannot open it right now because it opens and it becomes a 6 feet tall tent. So it's very difficult to, वापस से wrap करके इसमें रखना. It gets trickier. So I'm not opening it right now, but I have ordered this from Amazon, I guess. So I'll send you the link if you need it. मैं आपको आगे वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी कि how it is when I'll be using it. So this is the size of this tent, but when it opens, trust me, it is tall. The fourth most important thing is this garbage bag, so that I don't throw garbages outside because I have this bag. So I'll keep all my garbages with me and I'll dispose it in a right place. Tissue papers. I also have the first aid kit जो अभी मेरे पास यहाँ पे available नहीं है, जहाँ पे मैंने अपनी सारी medicines in case अगर needed है, जैसे कि traveling में मुझे usually motion sickness होता है, तो I've kept the medicine for that, or fever, cold, cough, bandages, cotton bandages, and all sort of basic medicines जो मेरे दिमाग में आया. I have kept it for safer note. And अगर आपके पास कोई suggestion है तो do let me know. Let me show you my luggages. So these two are my bags I'll be taking with me. Apart from this, I'm also carrying this, my tiny bag, which I'll be keeping handy with me. कभी भी कुछ भी ज़रूरत हो, I'm gonna keep it over there. What else? And of course, my laptop. So do the same. आपसे मिलती हूँ मैं अगली वीडियो में, and stay tuned. I'll come with episode 2 very soon. Until then, bye bye.